Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you spend a lot of time at your computer, whether it be for gaming or for working, then you know how easily you can develop wrist pain. I know I have it very often. I love this wonderful mouse pad from Attack Shark. This mouse pad really has so much comfort that will make your time feel so much lighter. The mouse pad is made out of a polyester spandex material. It is so soft and the fabric is really durable feeling, so you don't have to worry about it getting worn while you're using it. I really love the shape of this mouse pad because it's super wide, so you have plenty of room to move that mouse around as much as you need to while you're working or playing games. The mouse pad wrist rest surface is really wide as well, and you can see it looks like a really pretty cloud at the bottom. It has these ridges on it that just make it super comfortable for your wrist. The mouse pad is also with a non-stick, really nice non-stick surface in the back, so it does not move around at all while I'm using it. I really love not only how useful that this mouse pad is, but it's also super pretty and cute. I really wanted all of my workstation area to feel very fun, and this mouse pad not only feels and looks fun, but it is so comfortable on my wrist. I don't have to worry about that wrist pain while I'm working. If that's the case for you, then you'll really enjoy this mouse pad as well. But that's just my point of view.